some cards for Teacher's Day. I'm gonna give this to my senseis, but the things I'm gonna need are construction paper, some cardboard paper, and foam paper, some glue, and I'm gonna get some flowers that I made in the previous video, origami paper flowers. Please check it out, beg you please. And I have some scissors. If you don't watch my other videos, I always say scissors are very sharp. But if you're new to the channel, please be careful with scissors because they may hurt you. So yeah, let's start. Woo! So guys, I picked out my cardboard paper. And my construction paper. You can do any color construction paper. So the first card I'm gonna make, I called it the rosy card because there's some flowers on it, so it makes sense. The first thing we're gonna do is to fold it. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna fold it. By the way guys, the construction paper is gonna be the outer one, and this is gonna be the inside of it, the card, letter, whatever. You can call it whatever you want. Okay, we're gonna fold it. I do it like this so I can see the edges. Okay, we're done by the folding. Now we're gonna open it. Beautiful line. We're gonna get this, and then we're gonna fold it too. So you're gonna make it like this. So again, do it just the same as the other one. Yay! I'm happy. I'm gonna use my yellow tool. Okay, made it straighty. Okay, so it's gonna be like this, but I'm gonna fold it like this. Wait, do I fold it? I think so. And then we're gonna glue here, like that. I'm gonna make sure, like that, like that, like that. Perfection. I put it on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm just gonna wash my hands after, so. We are bravery. We are brave as bravery. Brave as brave as brave as brave as brave as brave. Brave as brave as brave as as I'm singing weird. This is fun. One time, guys, this is a story with Anya. One day, me and my papa put glue on my hands, and we dried it off in my hand, and then after that, when it was all dry, we just like peeled out the glue. It was so fun and satisfying. But I don't know if you want to do that, if you want to get your hands super dirty. And after that, I had to take it out because Mama said I had to eat, so that's the end of the story, okay? So, guys, I'm almost done. I have to do this line. Okay, we're done! I'm so proud of myself, you know? Okay, this is the hard part. Steady, go! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! I did it! I'm so proud. I'm proud. I'm proud of me. Okay, we're gonna make it secure. I mean secure, not secure. That's bad grammar. Push it very strongly so it won't like flip or something. Fall off. Yeah, fall off. I meant fall off. Okay, go every side. Done. Are we done? We are done. So guys, the next step, we are not gonna put glue in this first. First, we're gonna get some scissors. Scissors. Okay, I'm gonna cut the construction paper only. We're not gonna cut the cardboard. We're gonna cut it until the middle, like right here, like there. I'm gonna put my tool right here. Okay, let's cut! So this is the scariest part of the world. Okay, stop. Okay, we cut it like that. So next we're gonna do it. We're gonna roll it. So we're not gonna glue it yet. So it's gonna be like this. Wait, actually like this. Yeah, like this. And then we're gonna do the other side. And we're gonna put glue at the edge right here. We're gonna put glue there. Yeah, let's keep rolling. I'm so scared right now. You don't know how. Okay, done. Right now, I'm so scared. Okay, stick. Gonna put my finger. Oh, my finger. Okay, that's great. Okay, next one. Okay, there. Okay, guys, I'm done doing the rolls. So the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna glue this part here. So it's gonna be like decoration. So let's do that. So guys, if you're getting a little bored, now is the time you should listen. Because now it's gonna be story time. Okay, so story now. Once upon a time, there was a faraway land. There lived a family that got a new house. And when they went in, there was a robot telling them to get some snacks around, to get some energy. Great. Okay guys, so we're gonna continue the story later in the next video because we're gonna flip it now. 1, 2, 3, go. We did it. We did it. Squish and mish. That's what I say every time I do this. I say squish and mish. I don't know what mish is, but I squish it. It's squishy. Squish and mish. No, that's what I say. It's fun. It's a fun word. Squish. Okay, we're done. Okay, so it's like this. It has to look like this. It's beautiful. And now we're gonna add the rolls from the last video in origami. So let's stick it. Okay. Finally, we're gonna blow it so it will dry. So guys, I'm done with the roses and the front of the card. But the next step we're gonna do is the leaves for the roses. So we're gonna need a square paper, green, because green leaves. Leaves are green, sorry. So we're gonna fold it like this. Then we're gonna fold it in a square. Then now we're gonna fold it into a triangle. Okay. Next step, we're gonna do it like a nice oval, like this. Okay, I'm gonna cut it. I'm scared. Yay, I did it! I'm so happy. Super happy. Okay, I think that's it. Then you unfold it. Now you have like leaves. Smart. Okay, now we are gonna put it. So we're gonna do it like this. It's like this. Yes, like this. I do like this. Yeah. Okay. We're not gonna cut it. So we're gonna get this, and then we're gonna put it like this. So it looks like it's leaf. The problem is, no, there's no problem at all. I did it. I took the bait. They're scary. I did it! It's so pretty! Okay, now we're gonna do the other side. Yay! It's pretty! Look, it's like... It's just Beauty and the Beast. But there's not actually leaves. There's a stem. But it's pretty. It's pretty good. I'm proud. I always say I'm proud of myself, but I'm really proud of myself. Yeah, I am. It's just pretty. I love the rose. The rose may be my favorite part. Okay, now let's do the next part. There's not actually much to do now because now we're all done. We're now gonna do the writing. So I'm gonna put Happy Teacher's Day and then we're gonna write the inside. So yeah, let's start. So guys, I'm sorry I didn't tell you this, but you need something to write with, a pencil, a pen, anything you have, but I'm gonna use color pens. It's gonna be rainbow because I like rainbow. I'm gonna write from Teacher's Day rainbowness. You know, rainbow. Okay, I'm so happy. So yeah, let's start. First color we're gonna do is blue, my favorite color. Blue, 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 blue. So this is gonna be the blue I'm gonna use. Woo! I'm writing. Ooh, this is so scary. So if you make mistakes, you can erase them. Happy. I made happy now. Because I'm happy. Okay, red. This is the only shade of red I have. Happy. I was gonna write birthday. I mean teachers. And then I'm gonna do green. Green, 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 green. Guys, look, it's my favorite colors and it's like Happy Teacher's Day. So guys, I'm done with the Happy Teacher's Day sign. It says Happy Teacher's Day. I'm so happy. I'm super happy. Just look. It's so cute. I love the colors. Because my favorite. I love it. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna write inside. Like here, we're gonna write some stuff inside. So guys, I'm gonna add some stickers for decorations. So I'm gonna use some hearts and some stars to put on the card. So in the inside of the card. So we're gonna first get stars. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Whoa. Awesome. Do the bottom. The bottom is easy to get. Okay. I wanna put this one here. I wanna put this one here. Okay, let's put that one there. I look very weird when I say that. Weird, weird, weird. We're doing no weird. We're gonna be so weird. Be so, so, so. We're gonna be so weird. Be so weird. I'm always singing. I'm weird when I sing that. I'm gonna be, I'd be so weird. I'm so weird. I'd be so weird. Let's just add one more star. By the way, guys, I'm a great singer. You think? I am a great singer. Okay, we're done with the stars. Okay, let's put that there. Now we're gonna do the hearts. I love it. Okay. It's a beautiful. It's a wait. Okay. It's not damaged at all. This is the best. Look, it's like Happy Teacher's Day, and then it's gonna look very nice rose, and then you open it. Ta-da! Oh, I love it. Okay, the back, we're not gonna do anything to the back. The front is very important. I really like the twirl part and the rose part, I think. And aww, I love it. I love it so much. It's perfection. Perfection. Cause I think I'm done. So I'm done. I'm so happy right now. I'm done. It's great. So guys, I'm done with the rosy card. It's so card, I call it the Sparkle Aquarium card. Because it looks like an aquarium and it's sparkly. So yeah, let's move on. We do not